Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how we can create grade sheet and provide grades for students using two cases. Case 1 is a little bit takes more time and case 2 is easier. First, we start with case 1. We have 4 tests, then we have to find the average of the 4 tests, then we provide final grade. First of all, let's find average. Just put cursor in the final cell, then equal sign, just write average. This one, double click on it, determine the range. Select all the 4 tests, just enter. Now put cursor here and double click on this one. You calculate the average for all students for all the 4 tests. Now let's provide grade letters. We have this condition: if A for those who have equal or greater than 9, B for those who has greater or equal to 7, and so on. Just click here, equal sign, use if. If the cell greater or equal to, if F2 equal to or greater than 9, comma, A, provide letter A and fix it by F4, comma, again if function, if F2 greater or equal from 7, comma, provide letter B and fix it by F4, comma, again if function, select it, if F2 greater or equal 6, comma, provide data C and fix it by F4, comma, provide D, fix it by F4. Close the bracket, this one, this. Okay, just enter. It's 8, directly it provides letter B. Just select this cell and click here, you can drag it. Good. It's 7, so B, 8.7B, it's 5, D. You see, this is 6, so it's C. That is for first one. Now, let's see the formula. Just Control and the symbol. That is the formula we provided. You can see all the formulas. Okay. Now let's move to case 2. This one. This method is easier because you don't have to repeat if function every time. So put cursor here, equal sign, first find average. Select the 4 tests, just enter. Click this one and double click. Now we found the final grade. Final grade letter, just put cursor here and equal sign if. Select this ifs. Okay. If F2 greater or equal 9 equal to A, fix this one by F4, comma, F2 greater or equal 7 equal B, F4 fix it, comma, F2 greater or equal 6, comma, C, fix it by F4, comma, if F2 smaller than, this time smaller than 6, comma, D, fix it by F4, close it, just enter. 8 is B. Click the cell and double click on here. You see, 7 is B. So this is 6, it is C. This is 5 and it's D. That's all. Have a nice day.